In a quiet apartment, Mia and Noah hit a snag when chores pile up, exposing how timing shapes trust. A psychologist would call this emotional packing, noting that needing space or talking later can shift a scene far more than actions. When Noah texts a calm hello after a heated exchange, Mia feels seen and the quarrel mellows, showing repair through small inputs. A practical tip is to pause for 20 minutes during fights, then restate each other's feelings before proposing a solution. Real life shows that small, steady acts build resilience, turning friction into deeper intimacy.